Hello viewers, today we're putting in Rose's sweet pea bed. And what are you using there, Rose?
My new spade.
Your new spade. Hold it up. Lovely. Now Rose was struggling, as you might have seen in the video where she was getting some wood chip, with the small lady's spade. So, and she's too big for the kiddie spades. Now those of you with tween age children will possibly be finding this as well. And a friend of mine told me a little while ago that you can actually get these in-between size garden tools, which are absolutely perfect for Rose. And we went to a different garden centre this morning, and they had these. Perfect size for her. Absolutely brilliant. So we've put, careful darling, we've put in this bed. We've done our usual cardboard and then just a base on the top that we've made out of some offcuts that we use for our 6x4 raised beds. So we always have some 2-foot gaps. You can use your hands if you want, Rose, if you find that better. And so we just made that up, given the cardboard a good water, and then put the compost on top. And we've actually used today, this is good compost, this is what we've used, the Westland. And actually the Westland citrus compost, if you've seen that video, that was the best as well. This is, it's not bad, you know. There's no big bits, there's no plastic. That's good stuff. Right, Westland fans. I probably filled that up a bit too much, so I think before we put her sweet peas in, we're going to take some off and maybe fill up some seed trays with it. Right, it's actually a few days later now. We are Easter Sunday. Happy Easter, everybody. And we're actually due some frost over Easter. So we are leaving putting the sweet peas out for now. I've taken some soil out of this, some of the compost, and put it into pots. And we're cracking on with sowing carrots today. This is the bed that we are sowing the carrots in. I've put the lines in. And let me just show you which varieties we are sowing. Amsterdam forcing. It recommends these are February, March. We are beginning of April, but they'll be okay. Snowman, these are white carrots. Nonce 2, just because I've got some left. Purple haze. And for the first time we are growing samurai. So it's meant to be like a bright red carrot. So we've got a few colours here. We've found in the past that growing rainbow carrots, you don't get so many different colours. They tend to be a lot of orange in them. So although effectively we've got kind of 3 orangey, or 2 orange and a red, we've got the purple haze and a snowman as well. So I'm just going to get them in this bed. I've put the strings in. I've made a little dent, and I shall just thinly sew them along. Right, they're all in. I've done them with the white ones on this side, and then I've sort of gone darker in colour, ending up with the purple ones. It's not going to make any difference. It was just in my head, I thought to do it that way. Now, up against here, I'm going to grow, I've got my alderman peas in. So I'm just going to, what I will do is, excuse my shadow, I'm going to go halfway along here, and then on that bed I'm going to go halfway along there. So I've got half the bed and they will grow up and meet in the middle, and then that'll all be peas in this half of the bed. And then that half I'll put something else. And in our other beds, when we get them, I will put the other things. That's all done. I've gone up to this hole there. And what we're going to do is, I've left the holes open so that we know where to put the string over. And Nick's here so we can get up those top ones. I'll do that. And there we are, we've got our strings in, looking very neat and tidy. And that should be half the tunnel covered in the alderman peas. And that is all the work we're going to do for today, and I'll show you how we're spending our evening. So this weekend the Dream Team have been in action again, and we've been working super hard on clearing some plots from previous tenants that have left, and people that just have inherited a lot of junk from previous owners on their plot. So what we've done is yesterday we had 4 burning bins and we burnt a lot of the wood, and this evening we're going to have a barbecue and a bonfire, you can see there, and we're going to have a barbecue together, which is a nice way to spend our Easter evening. So happy Easter from us, and we'll see you next time. Take care, bye bye.
Is that it all? Okay. I've got these here. So I don't those.
Oh, viewers, if you're watching this bonus footage, this is what we've done with our compound area. So we've put bark down, looks so much neater and tidier. The fence isn't ideal, but it's wood we had. This still at the back needs sorting out. I think you've got one more.
Happy Easter, everybody. Bye.